Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how did I start my journey. Yes, and how to improve myself because 8 months ago I couldn't speak to English because I'm zero level. I'm only zero levels. 8 months ago I couldn't able to one sentence. But 30 December 2024, I was joining this one application, your skill applications. Yes. And I was decide I I was work my communication skill. I was lots of mistakes. I was lots of mistake. Now I'm mistakes. But every day I was daily speak, daily speaking to English, daily speak. I was learn this grammar, I was learn this vocabulary, and I was recording myself. And first time I was not facing this camera. I was not facing this camera. But every day I'm try to speak. Every day I'm try to speak, and remove my hesitation, remove my fear. Sometime English is not my cup of tea. Yes, sometime I motivated, but in sometime a fish out of water. But every day I'm motivate myself, and every day I'm talk to myself. You are watching this my first video, and now this my video. Yes, lots of differences. Yes, but every day I'm try to speak. Every day I'm trying to speak. I'm using these Google translations. um, I'm watching this conversation video. I'm watch I was listen to podcast. But every day I'm trying to speak, and every day I'm rectify my mistakes. Yeah, sometime um sometime sometime I'm try to speak, and sometime I'm not try to speak. Yes, English is my achailing hills. English language is a achailing hills. Okay, this is my journey, and sooner or later I'm a become a fluently speaker. Yes, guys, and I'm believe myself. And you will talk to English. You will try. You are never ever give up. And don't wait for your miracle. It is not uh, you are not it is not your life. It is not your come your life. Yes, thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe. You can do, you can speak. Bye bye.